Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with another quick video for you using one of my favorite lines by Curls, which is the Blueberry Bliss line. So I've already deep conditioned and shampooed my hair with this creamy sulfate free cleanser, the reparative hair wash, and the reparative hair mask. Now both of these are infused with organic blueberry extract, which is great for a healthy head of hair, so I really love how my hair is felt after washing my hair. So because I'm using larger sections, I brought out my microfiber towel just to get rid of some of the moisture to make sure my hair dries. So first up is the Reparative leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner because it's lightweight even though it looks heavy, and it has like chamomile extract and coconut oil, which is great for any damaged hair, which also encourages hair growth and prevents breakage. As always, make sure you brush that product through to make sure the product is distributed evenly. I do this with every step. I know it's a little tedious, but hey. Next up is our Twist and Shout cream. I know if you've seen me use this product before, I've mixed it with their cashmere line as well. But I love this cream just because it's so heavy, but it's heavy enough to where you still have a light fluffy hairstyle, and it has great definition. Now, to seal off this style, one of my go-to gels, I love this jelly, is the Curl Control Jelly. Now, I'll use this for buns, twist outs, flexi rod sets, and it never fails me on the definition. Again, make sure you brush that product through. I can't stress that enough. It will make or break your hairstyle. Now, with the larger perm rods, it can become a little difficult depending on how long your hair is. But practice makes perfect. I did not always get these on the first try. Now, the key to a successful perm rod set is the closing of the perm rod. So there's a small incision in the middle of the perm rod, and you'll see how it comes to your benefit depending on where you're closing the perm rod. So again, make sure it's smooth. Do the wrapping technique like I always do, taking your time, making sure it stays smooth all the way through. Now once you get towards the end, you want to close it across the front where your root comes out. So there's a small incision where you would just go backwards just to make sure it's tight, because if you had come forward, it would have been loose, if that makes sense. Please feel free to rewind to see that one more time. As with any hairstyle, please make sure that your hair is dry. I wasn't even certain that my hair was dry because I was using larger sections. I only used 14 perm rods. So I was taking it a little to the max by using these larger sections on the drying side. But that's why I used that microfiber towel to get some of that moisture out before I began setting my hair. Now, the key word in every product in this line is reparative. If you're suffering from breakage, dry hair, and you just want to bring your hair back to life, this is the line for you. The chamomile, the blueberry extract, and the coconut oil are 3 great ingredients for a healthy head of hair. Now, we don't want to ruin this style when separating. So take your time. I know this is sped up, but what I like to do with larger curls is to separate where it falls naturally. So I'll pull a piece and I'll kind of see where it starts to separate on its own, and then I'll pull there. So I'll show you here on a larger section so you kind of see where it just falls apart, but still make sure you take your time. So believe it or not, I'm just as nervous at how the results are going to come out every time, even though I've done this over and over. This is one of my favorite hairstyles by far. I always get great body and bounce. As you can see, I got a little excited about it. But this style never fails me. This is one of my favorites, especially using the Blueberry Bliss line. I got a lot of comments on my Instagram saying that this was their favorite curls line, so I figured why not do a new tutorial. I have plenty of tutorials using this line, doing twist outs, twisting curls, so you can check that out on my channel as well. You can get this entire line at Target or online at curls.biz. I'll have the link in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support. Feel free to comment any questions you may have about this line or this hairstyle. I'm always available to answer your questions, and I will continue with weekly videos. Thank you so much for the support, and until next time, bye-bye.